In this video, we'll learn how to create several basic shell commands. Let's create a simple command that prints the message "Hello World" to the output console. In the shell source folder, open the driver.py file. Add the function. Note that in shell drivers, we use the return keyword to print messages. Open the driver metadata XML file. Note that currently our shell has some hidden functions. Add the following lines. In Cloud Shell Portal, this command will be called Hello World and will be listed in a category called My Commands. Save all. Let's install the shell and see the command. In a sandbox that has our resource, open its Resource Commands pane and run the command. Let's open the output console to see the message. Next, let's create a command that accepts user inputs. In the driver.py file, add the function with an input variable. In the driver metadata XML file, define the function's behavior. Save all. Install the updated shell and return to the sandbox. Run the input command. Now, let's learn how to get the resource's context. In the driver.py file, add a function that gets the resource context. Note that context is a Cloud Shell object, so you don't need to modify the driver metadata XML file. Save your changes. Install the updated shell and return to the sandbox. Run the context command. As you can see from the output, the resource context provides information about the shell, including resource, metadata, and connectivity details. To illustrate the use of the context object, let's say I want to get the shell's address. We'll need to add a command that gets that attribute from its parent element. The shell's address is under the resource element. To do so, add this command to the driver.py file. Save your changes. Install the shell and run the command in the sandbox. This concludes our video. We hope you enjoyed it.